Emu.
All right. This is emu, world's second tallest bird. You know which is the first tallest?
Ostrich. ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ.
You know which is the first tallest bird? You know how tall they can stand? Ostrich, the first tallest bird in the world. They can stand up to 10 feet tall.
10.
This is emu's world's second tallest bird. They can stand up to 6 feet tall. We all be walking inside now. You can touch the birds. You can pet the birds, but don't touch on the head or the eyes. All right?
Yes. So
So before we go inside, let me ask you a question. Who do you think lays eggs in emu? Is it a male or a female bird?
female.
Male or female bird? Just just guess. It's okay.
Male.
Male.
If you're asking this question, so we'll choose male.
It's always the female bird lays eggs. Male bird will never lay egg. But the male bird incubates it. Male bird will sit on the egg and gives heat and warmth to the egg.
Oh.
There's incubation period for 2 months. In this 2 months, male bird will not eat any food. They hardly drink water. They are so protective, they'll not even let the female bird to get near to it. They lose 1/4 of the body weight during this process. So the male bird sacrifices most of their life, just like we men do.
Oh. Woo.
You all walk inside and stay in the center there. I'll help you touch the birds. Quickly walk inside, stay in the center there.
ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಊಟ. ಸೌಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬೇಸ್
ಸಣ್ಣದಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಇದಾವೆ, ಹಿಂಗಿದಾವೆ ನೋಡು, ಕೂದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಬಾಯಿಲಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಓಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಮಲ್ಲ.
No, see the baby moose. These are just around.
ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ
Baby moose. These are around 4 months old. They grow very fast. They run fast. They're still in trust building. Look at them. They run.